guys! Oh yeah! So saan tayo ngayon? Where are we right now?
We're going here.
Why are they going there? Why are they going there?
Because we're going here and not going there.
Okay, we're going there.
Sir,
We're in a... Oh my God! Wait lang, there's kalabaw. Oh my God! Baka kainin ako ng kalabaw. Asia, bilisan mo! Oh my God! Baka kainin ako ng kalabaw.
ano mo?
OMG! Uy, baka kasi kainin ng tayo ng kalabaw eh.
Nakainom ka ba?
Hindi na. Nagiinom ba ako?
Ng gamot.
Ng gamot. Ng gamot, okay.
Nagbabawal.
Oh my God! There's a trail, guys. Yeah, there's a trail.
Spell it.
Daanan na lang?
Maganda una.
Sige. Paano? Dahan-dahan. Uy, baka mahulog. Okay. OMG. Oh my God, this should be quiet. There's so many houses. And there's a dog. There's a dog that might attack us. Oh my God. Okay, so... Oh my God. Ano ba ito? Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako kasi, you know, dadaanan and everything. Charis.
Pasusuntok kita.
No, kasi I'm not used to escanitas like this, you know. Oh my God, I cannot.
I cannot?
I cannot. Hindi ko kaya. I cannot. Alam mo ba English ng wag ako?
Don't me.
Oh, don't me.
Oh,
Don't me. Ganun.
Yeah, it's me,
Alam mo
not
ba?
you.
Yung mga English ko eh.
Baka matuto ka sa akin ng English skills, tapos pag nalaman mo, di mo na ako layuan.
Ay, sige.
Yun ang pinaka-
English na
ayoko.
tayo ngayon. Gusto mo?
Sige, come on,
Oh,
let's
sige.
go.
So, where are we right now?
I'm here right now.
You're here. Where are we? So what are we doing? What are we gonna do? Where are we going to?
Huh?
Where are we going to?
Into the house.
Into the house? Into the house? Into the house of who?
Into the house of her.
Her?
Yeah.
Who her?
Here.
Sorry po, nag-vlog kasi kami. Hi guys! Yeah. Parang ano.
Ang ganda ko ngayon.
Ako din, ang ganda. Ang fresh
Ang ganda natin ngayon.
Ang fresh natin ngayon.
Eh di ko nandito lang siya, di mas maganda ako ngayon. Ay!
Pero gusto sabihin na naman niya ito babaeng to.
So, let's start.
Let's start.
Our talking.
Talking.
Yeah, we're talking,
Not, we're chit-chatting.
yeah, not talking.
Yeah.
Because chit-chatting is like, you know,
You know?
cheat and chatting.
Yeah.
And we're not cheating because we're not a cheater.
Ano na kami nagsasabi na ito babaeng ito?
That's why we're not a cheater.
Yes.
And we are not chit-chatting.
Yes. Oh, pinagsasabi ni Aisha.
Ang chit-chat.
Try natin na ano, sabay tayo magsabi ng mga live. Let's go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all shows down. Where pa ba?
Where are we?
I'm so pagod na. Ay, sorry. My God, why is your house so far?
Because her house is not near.
My God.
That's why it's far.
I'm getting tired na. I wanna go home. My God. What if it rains and it makes baha? I don't want to lusong sa baha. No.
Me too.
You know?
That's why we're not gonna gonna lusong because if we lusong in the baha,
Yeah.
we got left has pyrosis.
Yeah, and I don't want to experience that.
You know what leptospirosis is?
Yeah.
What is it? Can you please
It's
tell
when a person gets sick from the ihi of the daga.
What's the ihi of the guy in
It's the
English?
pee of the rat. Ay. Where are we going? Oh my god, it's so far pa. I cannot na.
They're getting split into two. They're budding. Ay, mali.
Ano?
Binary fission. They're splitting into two ways. Binary fission, right? No.
Calm down.
Okay. I'm getting emotional. Super
Uy, I like the
emotional.
lighting here.
Yeah.
It's making me fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Calm down.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
go up. Because if you go up, you can go down. And
Yeah.
if you can go down, you can go up.
Yes.
I miss him.
Words of Wisdom by Isha Mile.
You want words of wisdom?
Oh my gosh.
I can give you the words of wisdom that you want. Makipag-date ako mamaya.
I'm so tired na. Habang magpunta.
Uy, you can get pagbabangga.
I might get hit.
Ha?
I might get hit.
No!
Ano?
They're not hitting you. They don't like you. Because if they hit you,
They hit yan.
because if they hit you in the first place, they will chat you immediately. But they're not immediately chatting you. Oh my God, natawid! Oh my God, guys! We're in tawid.
Hi guys, we're making tawad. Yeah.
And the Kuya, don't panggas.
Oh my God. Hindi po.
I'm not talking to you.
I'm not talking to
Don't
me.
talk.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Get-
Oh my God, your house is here pa pala. Oh my God. Why didn't you say so? Guys, galing tired na kaya. Okay. Nangunguna ulit tayo kahit na alam bahay nila.
Because if we start talking, they will follow us. And
Yeah.
if they will follow us, they will immediately walk. Immediately, mabilis.
Yes. Oo, tama. Bakit ka? Wala naman mamali sa'yo ah.
Kaya nga, tama.
Galing mo mag-English eh.
Di ba?
Oo.
Ako pinakamagaling mag-English sa buong lupa.
Ay, wag loop. Oh, don't tapak the ano.
Oo, because
Oo, because it's very dirty.
That's very dirty. Baka may pupo. You know pupo?
Yeah, pupo ng dog. Pwede naman. Sa gitna ng kalsada. Oh my God. It's an ancestral house.
Kaya kami. Okay.
Okay, diretso lang tayo.
They say, kanta tayo.
Ha?
Kanta.
Ano kakantay natin?
Ano mo kanta?
All I Want for Christmas. 1, 2, 3, go. All I want for Christmas is you. Dun, 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 dun. I don't own my own more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Yung aso sa tao.
Yung aso! Yung aso! Kakatakin mo tayo ng aso dito. What if mangaroling tayo? Para magkaroon tayo ng ano?
What if matiwalag ako sa gagawin na?
Mangangaroling tayo, tapos yung ganun yung kata.
Where are they?
All I want.
Where am I?
Guys! Guys, where are we?
Where am I? Mali, 1, 2, 3.
Where am I? Is this the real world? A lot of things are on my mind. I may be young and innocent, but not ignorant. I can clearly see what's present. I can only imagine life when the world was first created.
A dash of green.
A beautiful scene yet to be exploited. A dash of green and blue. Then add the bright yellow sunshine that lights up the day. God!
God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Why? You forgot something?
God gave us the word full of promise. Next, go na.
The world is full of promise. How dare we ruin it?
Bobo.
Bakit?
sasabihin mo dun is yung
God gave us a world full of promise.
He wanted us to use it.
Akala ko nandun tayo sa part na how dare we. Okay, sorry.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
Kamaingay.
God gave us the world.
Nakakapikon.
Ayun, there's Yeah. May tao pa rin sa dulo. God gave us a world full of promise. He wanted us to use it, take care of it, and make sure that there's plenty for everybody.
Ay, everyone.
Ano next nun?
Everybody.
The water! The water! The water! The water is not blue as it was! The air we breathe is not healthy anymore. There are forests that used to be rich and full, nowhere to be seen. Dead! Ikaw! Dead! You dead! Destroyed! What happened to the promise? Ah! Yung aso! Yung aso! Uy, muntik na kami atakihin ng aso, guys.
Grabe, mas atakuhin, nakakulong
Ay, di naman pala. No, what if mag-jump yung dog, di ba? Think of the possibilities, di ba? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ano yan?
Init kaya.
Pinagpawisan ako.
Ako din. Gaya-gaya ka talaga.
Ay, o, nasa na tayo?
Ano na ganyan?
What happened? What happened to the promised land?
How dare
We ruin it. Look at it, people.
Look at it.
If the world could only speak, it would tell us how much it hurts.
Saan yan?
Declamation.
Nagpa-practice lang kami.
Ganito yung kami mag-practice.
Okay ba?
This is normal
Guys,
for us.
guys, okay.
Pang first place, di ba? Di ba?
Ana, Michael, Eunice, anong masasabi niyo sa declamation namin? Okay lang?
Ayos, di ba?
Ay,
Declamation. Declamation yun. Ay, dito ba? Uy, ang ganda naman ng bahay nyo. Ay, hindi ba ito? Akala ko ito yung bahay nila, Angelique.
ay, tuturay tayo. Oh my God, oh my God.
Oh my God! We're gonna make tawid sa tulay.
Tatawid tayo sa tulay.
Yeah! Oh my God, it's a lumang bridge. Sana hindi mag-collapse. It might collapse kasi it looks old.
Tangina. Minsan nabibigo na din ako sa'yo.
Oh my God, so we're crossing the bridge na, guys. Bakit? Wait lang, yung phone ko mahuhulog.
Ay, sorry kita.